How to use Netflix Play Something feature. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Help Deck. In today's video, I will show you how you can use Netflix Play Something or Shuffle Play feature. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now you have to keep in mind that Play Something feature is currently available only on smart TV devices, and you won't get it on the company's mobile applications, and this feature is also rolling out to all of the users worldwide. So if you're using on smart TVs and so on, then obviously you will be able to conduct this feature. So what you have to do is, in order to understand this, now basically with the Play Something feature, Netflix algorithms will play movies or series that you might like based on your past viewing behavior and tastes. Netflix might play a brand new series or movie, or a series or film you're already watching, a movie series on your list, or something you have not finished watching. Now what you have to do is, in order to use the Play Something feature on Netflix, navigate to the main menu on the top left hand side of the screen. Now this feature is right below the home button. When you click on it, Netflix will randomly play a movie or series based on the criteria that I mentioned. You have the option to shuffle through the multiple options the app shows with the remote's right arrow key. Now Play Something is also currently available only on smart TV devices, as I said earlier, and you won't be able to find it on the other applications. And hopefully this video answered the question as to how you can use the Play Something feature. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.